Hi, today I'm making chicken Alfredo. I wanted to use up some leftovers I had, and so I thought I would make this very creamy Alfredo. So I have a jar of classical Alfredo sauce, and we're going to work to fix that sauce up. We're adding Parmesan, some of my favorite Swiss cheese, this expensive Swiss cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you like. Anything that melts will work and that you enjoy. We need some olive oil so that we can sort of take care of our noodles and the chicken. And so I'm going to begin with a quarter cup of diced onion, a pound and a half of chicken thighs, and I've cut them up. And I'm going to just cook those in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to season them with Italian seasoning and my Morton's Nature Seasoning. It's one of my favorites. I'm going to cook the chicken. Once it's done, I'm going to actually keep everything in the same pan because I want the drippings to flavor the sauce as well. And so I'm going to add the classical Alfredo sauce. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese and a cup of the Swiss cheese all into the same pot. And I'm just going to let that simmer. While that's simmering, I'm going to actually prepare my noodles. So I'm adding a couple of bouillon cubes to my water for the fettuccine noodles. And so I'm adding a little bit of that olive oil, maybe a tablespoon. I'm also adding a pinch of salt. And we're going to then, add the fettuccine noodles and let that cook down. Once the noodles are almost completely cooked, a little bit more than al dente. You want them to be almost completely cooked. We're going to lift those noodles out and add them back to the Alfredo sauce. Okay, and we're going to let those simmer for a little while until the noodles are completely cooked. And then I'm going to chop up some green onions for color, and I'm going to serve that chicken Alfredo, add a few fresh green onions or chives, and it's ready to serve. This is a 30-minute meal, definitely a weeknight meal or even a weekend meal, but I highly recommend it.